Hello everyone, Ebba here. I was just looking at the videos that I have to update or upload, and I realized that I haven't uploaded the last motorhome video, so that's what this one is that's coming up. It's the first breakdown that we had in Calgary, and this took place, I don't remember the date, but on the video it tells you what the date was, and it tells you the story of that. So I will, this is just going to be a real short introduction to that and letting you know that that's what this is. From this point forward, this is what my format is going to be until I get all the videos up that I have sitting waiting to be uploaded. I'll do a little bit of an update, or I should say an intro, to just say this is what this is. And it won't necessarily give you a date. The dates are generally in the videos, so but it will tell you that's what's coming up. This is the thing. So this is the first breakdown we had in Calgary. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.